This YUNFUER Synthetic Winch Rope offers a substantial upgrade over traditional steel cable by combining strong pulling power with much lighter handling on the trail. The ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene construction, woven into multiple strands, delivers impressive braking strength that easily covers typical off-road trucks and sport utility vehicles. Because the rope is synthetic, it does not store the same dangerous energy as steel when under tension, which makes recoveries feel noticeably safer for people standing nearby. A thick protective sleeve shields the working section of the line from abrasion, heat at the fairlead, and general wear when dragging over rocks or rough bumpers. The included forged hook and safety strap arrive ready to mount, so most winches on 4x4 vehicles and trucks can be re-rigged quickly without hunting for extra hardware. Resistance to rust, oil, and common trail chemicals means this rope holds up well in mud, snow, and salt, making it a dependable choice for frequent off-road recoveries.